Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys fingerprint lock data guys, how can we remove it? Friends, we want to delete guys your fingerprint lock data in your Samsung phone device. So how can you delete? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we delete guys fingerprint lock data in our Samsung phone device. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it, friends. You can see guys your phone guys security setting. Guys tap here. Friends again scroll guys, click on biometric. Friends click on fingerprint setting, and friends you can see your fingerprint lock setting guys. So when I have guys this pin password, so I will enter my password guys, and once you have any pattern lock, so I draw your pattern. So once you can see guys we have fingerprint lock setting guys, so you will click on fingerprint lock, and guys you can see guys this rename. So once you want to rename guys your fingerprint, so guys you can rename, and guys click on remove option to delete. Then guys your fingerprint lock will delete guys. We don't have any fingerprint lock guys. You can see if we use, so we will have to again set up. So like that guys we can delete guys fingerprint lock in our Samsung phone device. So bye guys.